This is the day after we arrived.
Bello.
Hello.
Siyabingelela.
Inkomo. Enkomeni ilixhelwe izolo namhlanje. Liwile izolo namhlanje yapheka whatever. So we are going with our family. I think it's almost 10, it's 9:30 now.
Yeah.
So okay.
We are trying to put as much content as possible because we're just having too much fun that we forget to vlog.
Yeah. We did. By the way, we don't have a closing for the previous vlog. We didn't close it because but I think I lost my card yesterday when this is bar. So after that, my mood was down, and I was like, you know what?
Why not roach you?
Can't roach you. I lost it.
Chance
Oh my god!
Man, if I tap card, was my tap.
And not only that, bro, there's no money in that card.
Stop the cap. No, there is card. Come with us.
Bye-bye.
Yes, Wula.
Pullers, copyrights. So ngoku mbalaba abantu babhizi. Siya enkomeni. Fit check.
No, man. Nothing too biggie with the Birkenstocks. I told you guys in the start of the vlog. I did a packing vlog. We did all kinds of nicks because I did say I'm gonna wear this fit, but not today. I was gonna wear it Sunday, but it seems like Sunday is Glomilan and Glomilan as a vlogger because I bought clogs with the McDonald's socks, jorts from Cotton On, t-shirt from H&M, with the belt, classic belt Liz only has for 15 years. Yeah.
What's all the rest?
The rest like nothing too biggy, 6 carat Louis Vuitton custom made 1 of 1. It's for that Louis Vuitton collection.
1 of 1.
How is it?
Okay, on me. My fit check is these shoes are from Cotton On. Are they from Cotton On?
Yes.
And then this dress, the black dress, is just Mr. Price. And then I have a traditional on, and my hair is done.
For the first time
on their wrist.
Nothing. No, Invincible LV collection 1 of 1.
Okay, so now we're gonna vlog when we get there.
Drip is in this house. This is like Edgar's, bro.
This is so dead.
Gucci. Volacom and Gucci.
Yeah, they did a collab. Are they aware that they did a collab? Are they aware?
We don't use bricks because we are always standing on business. And trying to put bricks.
Yeah, but
yeah, do what?
Okay, and DJ. Eh? DJ Johnson. Oh, Makulon. Okay.
Stand up.
Nansa benikhule because kaloku bevule ifestire funa incema nansi imoto ndingu-anti nyhani ngoku ndiyazibona ndine-hat yho ha-a
Yenza le nto ndandithetha kuFacebook.
Abantu abangomama unandise problem ini imoto istakile bantu makufothwe bona. Abantu understand. Ndayifaka kuFacebook lokho. Yenza lana abantu abangomama.
Like bayafotha.
Bayabeka kufoto. Omama banjani ukuthi ingxaki yofoto. Uthi lo wabecaleni akamba. Akasifoteni man.
Saka sayenza lo sakhumbula. Sasiza bebhayi. Sasitake George. Ogqiba wathi yena uabila. Safota bongo.
Ulizwe wama kwenye indawo wathi babhabhela ubhabhile. Ushikana futhaka. Azihle ngafoto lapha ku Facebook landlela. Azihle.
Kuvele ublue like in sky. Nazama kumembo wethu.
Usibambile phethe. Ukafota phethe sibe.
Okay, zalifota ngo uthi sibe ubona.
Yazi imandi foto biwe. Ay manje foto asabanisile.
Nansi.
Ufuna kuphosa idot.
Ayahlekisa samhlalizi.
Manje ufuna masfoto masfoto.
Uyakhala kolakhala. Abantu bonke labadlala imoto efana ibesikhwele.
Hiyo kai fresh leya. Ayo le iyafana but fresh. So guys, we are on our way. This is the car we were in. But we got stuck because we had a wheel punch or whatever. Show them the problem.
Okay, in a big pants. I got to toss the sun.
No, this is bad.
Yeah, even sir, Canada, over. Yeah,
yeah, wink.
Ojikeleza basi.
In Cape Town, these cars are like, no, not this one, but there's new motor. I was like, this is no way alone, like a local car. Because it's so good. Like, this should be an Uber or in-drive car. Like,
uyamkhoba indawo uanti
bandle kusena lophila babiza different uthi uanti uliyama
uthi umalume utata
kodwa umakhulu
ngathi igali litsho umsebenzi wami ndiphangela ndiphangele apha ngasebashiya sawubona uba siyaphi sawubona intende Uhlelo DJ omkhulu uLiza.
Asibonakali kaloku umnyama.
Oh la, zakuxelela yazi pha kumerhangeni musekratini.
Vele. Ukitheko.
Uyayazi mfondini.
Ake umntu ayaziyo kamnandi.
Ushukumisa.
We're going home now from the traditional event. It's what time is it? What time is it? I don't know what time is it now. I can't look it up on my phone, but it's probably like after 8 or 9, I think, for the most.